I want some of these other digital assets to have clarity, but XRP doesn't need it. It already has it. So that's why it is going to aggregate the majority of the liquidity for everything.
You guys, what if XRP isn't stalling right now? What if it's actually building its final base? Now, most people look at the sideways price action and think it's dead. But history does show us something very different. Now, before every major XRP breakout, there's been a long, quiet consolidation phase. And right now, XRP is sitting inside one of the most important price zones on its entire macro chart. And that big question is simple. Is this boring price action actually the setup for the next expansion? Now, if you're watching XRP closely, smash that like button, click that subscribe, and let's break down in the simplest way possible what's going on. Now, we know XRP has a pattern. Before every big run-up, it spends a long time moving sideways. This is what we call consolidation. It's when price builds support. It's when buyers are slowly accumulating. It's when the market prepares for its next major move. Now, one of XRP's analysts named Austin XRPL pointed out something very interesting. He showed that XRP has repeated this pattern over and over again. Back in the day, XRP stayed between 15 and 30 cents for almost 2 years before moving higher. Then it did the same thing between 30 cents and 50, another long base. Then again between 50 and 75, then nearly a year between 75 cents and $1.30. Now, every major expansion comes after a long period of patience. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There's one price though that never built the proper base, and that's between the $1.30 to $1.80 range where we're sitting at right now. In past rallies, XRP moved through that area very, very fast. It didn't spend much time there. It didn't build strong support. It just kind of passed through quickly. And this creates what traders call an inefficient zone. And markets don't like unfinished business. That often comes back to these zones to build a proper structure. Now, guess where it is right now? It's literally sitting at about $1.42 at the making of this video. Instead of rejecting it, the price is rotating inside the zone of $1.30 to $1.80. And it's just moving back and forth, spending a lot of time there. And Austin calls this the structural repair. So in simple terms, XRP may be filling the gap it skipped before. And if XRP successfully turns this zone into strong support, something important is going to happen. Now, there would be no major unfinished consolidations left below. That means less resistance overhead, and when resistance is thinner above, breakouts are guaranteed to move faster. This is why some believe this could be XRP's final base, and I'm one of them. Because before a larger expansion phase occurs, we need this. And you guys, this isn't hype. This isn't just guessing on the candles. This is structure. And remember what we talked about before. Real value comes when infrastructure is ready. Regulations are becoming clearer, institutional tools are expanding, and adoption conversations are starting to grow louder. Now, price structure and real-world utility may be building at the same time. Most people get bored during this consolidation phase. I don't blame us, but historically, that's when the foundation is being built. Now, before we close, I do want to remind you something important. You always want to check the charts before making decisions. The charts tell you whether the price is rejecting a level or building support. That should keep you calm when the general market is panicking, right? And when I'm checking the charts and I'm trading these setups, I do like using one platform. It's my favorite, you guys. I'll put the link below. BTCC is the world's longest running cryptocurrency exchange. It's literally my favorite, and it's the only one I'm willing to use. They're also still giving us a 10K deposit bonus when we use the link below. And if you're serious about crypto, use a platform that's actually surviving the storms. Now, the real question on XRP, is XRP stuck or is it preparing? Are we watching weakness or are we watching the final base being built? Now, if this breakdown did help you understand the bigger picture, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. It really does help the YouTube algorithm and you don't miss what's next. And also, you guys, drop your honest take in the comments. I'm always curious. I'd like to know what you're thinking. And if you're still watching and you're not chasing hype, you should be studying the structure. And you guys, that's how smart money thinks. Now stay patient, stay sharp. I'll catch you guys on the next one.